Hello, my beautiful people. Thank you for visiting Docentes DigitalesTV. In this video, we're going to do the feedback session for the previous video. If this is your first time here, I recommend watching the previous video where we talked about the Bill of Rights and the 10 most important American freedoms. Now, let's put your knowledge to the test with some questions. Was the Bill of Rights added to the Constitution in 1791? Yes, it was added in 1791 to protect individual freedoms. Does the First Amendment give people the right to vote? No, it protects freedom of speech, religion, and the press. Does the Second Amendment allow citizens to own weapons? Yes, it gives people the right to bear arms. Can the government force people to house soldiers in peacetime? No, the Third Amendment protects against that. Does the Fourth Amendment allow the police to search your home without a reason? No, it protects against unreasonable searches and seizures. Does the Fifth Amendment allow someone to be tried twice for the same crime? No, it protects against double jeopardy. Does the Sixth Amendment give people the right to a lawyer? Yes, it guarantees legal representation in court. Can someone be punished with cruel and unusual punishment according to the Eighth Amendment? No, the Eighth Amendment protects against that. Does the Ninth Amendment say people have only the rights listed in the Constitution? No, it says people have other rights not listed. Do the states have powers not given to the federal government? Yes, the 10th Amendment reserves powers to the states or the people. Remember to watch this video multiple times to reinforce your learning. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the next videos in this amazing series on learning English and American culture. See you in the next adventure.